All right, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to do the oil reset maintenance light on a 2022 Lexus IS350. Should be very simple. So what we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to put the key on the on position where all the lights come on. So press the button twice without the engine running. And then since we have the hood open, I'm going to go ahead and back out of everything. So once this panel moves over to the right, give it a second. Then we'll go ahead and back up. If it's in the middle, what you'll go ahead and do is you'll press the menu button. So just in case if it is like that and it hasn't moved, we'll just go ahead and push that button right there. All right, so we'll go ahead and back out of that. And then what we'll go ahead and do is we'll mess with these buttons right here. So we're gonna hit the right button, and then we are gonna be going to the little cog setting right there. So you'll see that guy right there, and then we're going to go ahead and scroll down, and we are going to be looking for vehicle settings, and then we are going to do scheduled maintenance, reset data, and then there we have. So earlier we did see a message for oil change, and that's not there. So that's pretty much it. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, comment down below if you have any questions, and hit that subscribe button for more upcoming videos in the future. And thanks for watching.